here we got an Inku Crate box. And then thank you for sending us this box for free. I really like opening Inku Crate box because sometimes our mommy lets us pick something out, but then I like it a lot. It's like my little baby. We're gonna open. Do you remember me from the other videos? So here is the map. Now let's look at the map, yeah? Actually, wait, I want to look at the map. Come on. Okay, you could show off the first thing. Then, and I'll look at the map. Show off the first thing. So this is the beautifulest tab I ever saw before. I also actually really like pandas too. See, I think the top is really cute, and the way they like package it in little bows and like hat like this, I actually like it. But you already had your. It's like a scientist thing, you know, like it's like something a scientist would put their potion in. Because I'm growing up to be a scientist. Well, now let's go to this one. This one seems like Scotch tape. I don't want to break it. What's the password? Oh, so here's how you open it. There's like the password. What password? The password you're talking about. I don't know anything about a password. The password. So do you see something here? You're just gonna open it like this, and you just have to get it off of here. And then, but I'm showing you. But then now, I don't think I should be using it for no reason. You know, like, things like, well, anyway, I actually really think the funny thing about this is one of them are thinking of eating an onigiri when they're sleeping. And the big dog or the wolfie is just snoring like zzz, like that. Your turn to show. So this is a tape, but you can't see it. Oh, this is masking tape, but I don't know how to use it. Well, we know it's masking tape because it says masking tape. So it's masking tape. Okay, you can. This is really scary characters. Next comes the coloring book. I actually didn't check in here, but it has stickers. And then the characters are really cute. It's like Kiki's delivery service. So this is the, what's it called again? Paper, I think. Well, I don't know what this really is. So tell me if you know what's this. Okay? Tell me what's this if you know. Type it on my mom's computer. Oh no, this is the mini envelope set, a mini letter set. Hey, I got it right without reading it. It's a mini letter set. So it's like small baby envelopes and paper where you can write notes to each other and send it to keep in touch for your friends. Because I have a friend in Korea. Yeah. We could use these for like Happy Valentine's Day notes or Mother's Day cards or Father's Day cards or your sister's birthday cards. Or there are some things you could use it for. Or your big sister's birthday to you. Yeah. So here's a beautiful blue pen. I actually like the color of the outside. I tried it on the box and I think it's so neon-y. Blue, sky bluish, like I can't pick it. It's so beautiful. It's like, you know, you just want to kiss the lead or something. Well, you would never want to do that. It's kind of like the lead. You could eat the lead and it's not good for you, and you should never ever do that. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. And I think this pen is really cute. And not cute, but beautiful.
And these are stickers. Mommy had a lot of these, our mom. But I hope we say thumbs up when it's the end. And
So our mom has a collection of tape, collection of stickers. She likes to keep these cute backgrounds of stickers. She has a big collection more than me. I'm trying to collect them. But then, yeah, I think this box was actually a great box. I would really want, if I were the person who's editing the video, gets the box for myself because I'm the one who edited the video. I would have lots of cute things. And then if I lived in this whole house by myself, then this house will definitely be an art scientist house. Yeah. And a YouTube house. So,
we already did these.
thanks for sending this box for us.
Thanks for watching.
Off to the superhero. Bippity ba, bippity boo, bippity ba.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you say dum.
Hi, goodbye. Hi, goodbye. Hi, goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you say thumbs up.
Because if you give a thumbs down, nobody in our family would be happy about that. And if you have nothing good to say about the videos,
Don't say it.
yeah, you should never leave bad comments on people's video. But we loved this Inku Crate box.
Are you guys gonna
Just interrupted.
We love it a lot. I think it's the best Inku Crate box I have ever opened. So thanks for watching. I hope you give us a thumbs up. Bye.